Sheila and welcome to today's video. Well, in today's video, I have my Mint Mongoose for the month of May, and actually today is Mother's Day. So first off, I would like to say for all you mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. My daughter and my mom are on their way over to my house, so I thought I would get on here real quick and shoot this video and get it out to you guys for Mother's Day because it's Mint Mongoose, which is a jewelry subscription service. The basics on it is $16.99 a month. You get 3 pieces of jewelry. You can choose from rose gold, gold, and silver. Or you can say surprise me. Now you get 3 pairs of jewelry or 3 pieces of jewelry, but also recently she started adding t-shirts into her subscription box, and for an extra $9.99 you can get a t-shirt also. Now the theme of her, she always has a theme every month, and the theme this month is called Stay on Course, Don't Forget Your Why. And that is what this t-shirt is. As you can see, it's a beautiful beach scene. It has like a sailboat, your directional, north, south, east, west, just to remember why we have our goals. And this is a good reminder. We all need to know what our why is, why we do anything we do. So when the going gets tough, we know why we need to stay the course. So I like the theme this month. And so let's go ahead. I want to show you the jewelry pieces. I already got everything unwrapped. Now here are the earrings. I'm going to show those to you first. I'm going to put this on the card so you guys can see them real well. And the reason she chose this theme, she said they're a little cloudy and sometimes our thoughts can get unfocused, and that's why she chose that stone to remind us to always remember our why. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in. Now, like I said earlier, today is Mother's Day. I would love to hear what your plans are. Like I said, my daughter's coming over, my pregnant daughter, who's going to be giving birth very soon. And she's going to be a mother for the first time. And then my mother's also coming over. Now, it's very rainy here today. And some people get confused by this background. This is a background, this is not real life. If you saw real life for me right now, you would see nothing but rain and drizzle, and it's just not a very lovely Mother's Day weather-wise. But with that said, my husband's a trooper. He is going to try to throw a couple steaks on the grill for us ladies and treat us. And he's excellent on the grill, by the way. So yeah, that's gonna be our plans. So leave in the comments what your plans are. Do you have any plans for Mother's Day? Now here is the necklace. Like I said, you get 3 pieces of jewelry, and that's what the necklace is. Now, let me try to focus that again. There you go. You can see the stones. It matches the necklace or the earrings really well. Let me try to straighten that up for you guys. I hope that's not too far down. I hope you guys can see that. And then the other is a simple necklace. I will try to hold it up here. You can see it's just a silver chain with like some little round beads on it. So this is this month's Mint Mongoose. It is very cute. I always love my Mint Mongoose. I got that kind of too high probably. But anyway, this is the set. You get the earrings, you get the 2 necklaces, and I got the t-shirt for $9.99. Now, a little tip about the t-shirt, guys. If you guys decide to order it, I would say size up. It is 60% cotton and 40% polyester. So it has a nice cut too. It's not a boxy cut. So definitely size up. Do not be afraid to size up. I usually wear a large, and this is an extra large. So definitely size up. But that is this month's jewelry. Stay the course. And I hope you guys have a lovely Mother's Day. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.